Okay, so these are the pieces we need for the energy conservation lab. This is a glider that's very similar to the one we have, except that it has some attachments for this lab. And we also have just a single photo gate to collect speed. And we have a ruler here with 2 clips, so we can read the position of the glider with the ruler, and this needle pointing adds the ruler's divisions. And then we also have a rubber band here. This rubber band is a bit old, but I do have a backup here. And we'll be pushing the rubber band while the air is on, so we'll be loading the rubber band, basically storing energy in the rubber band by stretching it. And we also have a string here that I can use to connect the glider with a hanger that drips over this end of the system. And I have some weights. There's a 5-gram weight. There's also another 5 to make it 10. We'll start with 0, no weights, and then we'll have 10, and then we'll have an increment of 10. So I have picked up 1 10-gram, 2 20 grams, a 50 grams, and 100 grams. So I can make them into, this is 10, so that's 20, and then that with this, with the 20 to 30, that's 40, and with both 50, and then 60 is, I'll just use a 50 on that, 10, 60, then 70, and 80, and 90, and then 100, I'll put 50 and 40 together is 100, and 110, I have 100 with those 10, and then it repeats until we get to roughly 150, I think, or the rubber band is stretched almost all the way to the against the wooden frame. So I also have some matches, so I'll use the match to burn the string once I have the rubber band loaded with the maximum amount of weight. I only do this one time when the weight is maximum. I also have some additional strings in case I need some replacement. And then I also have some cushions. You'll have a foam pad so that the weights will not hit the ground, instead they hit the cushion.